Okay, it's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Let's make a start with you. Do you use mobile phone or do you
Yes,
use smartphone?
yes. I use smartphones from last 10 years.
Now, then you say, I have been using smartphone for the last 10 years.
I have been using. Okay.
So,
I
you need
have
to
been
elaborate your
using.
answer.
I have been using the smartphones from last 10 years. Uh, um, it is very useful um, for anything which I want to search on internet
Okay.
and playing games.
All right. Do you use internet on your mobile phone?
Yes, I usually use internet on my smartphone because it gives me a lot of information which which I want to know, and it is very useful.
All right. Can we use mobile devices for educational purpose?
Yes, we can use mobile devices as educational purpose because it help us in education field.
Yeah, they help us because
They
you're talking about devices.
yes
So they help us in the field of education.
they help us in the field of education and many other fields.
Okay. So you should give your answer in one go. They should be 4, 5 sentences all connected together. And
Okay.
in the end, they should be one sentence conclusion as well. Okay. All right, let's move on. It's your turn. How many hours do you sleep every night?
Almost 8 hours.
Okay.
I sleep every night. And this is my
Now, this should
routine.
be full answer. Well, I mostly sleep for 8 hours every night as this is my habit to go to bed at around 11 p.m. and then I wake up at 6. So it makes it around 7 to 8 hours. To answer your question, I take a sleep for around 8 hours, something like that, okay? So, I mean, how many hours do you sleep every night? 8. If you answer like this, examiner cannot evaluate you, right? Now, let's go on. Is it necessary to take a nap during the day?
Yes, it is very important for someone. I actually busy all the day with my
I
kids.
am busy all the day.
I am busy all the day with my family, and I have to take nap for some time daily.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's go on. Why do some old people sleep a lot?
There are some reasons. Some people on our medications, and sometimes they don't sleep at night. They have to sleep on daytime, and sometimes they feel pain and they are using medicines, and all medicines are sleepy effect. That's why they take rest,
Yeah.
and they are not
Okay,
involved in.
that's enough.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go on. Do you sleep more on weekends?
Yes, I can say. Um, if I talk about on weekends, I sleep most.
I sleep more because
Yeah.
weekend is the time
Yeah.
when I don't have any morning activity.
Yes.
Elaborate your answer, okay? There should be 5 to 6 sentences, and these sentences should come like this.
Yes.
Not like one sentence, then there is a break, another sentence, then there is a break, something like that, okay?
Right.
All the best. Thank